10 soft foods ideal for tummy tuck recovery diet. Recovering from a tummy tuck requires careful attention to diet. The right foods can significantly aid in the healing process, ensuring your body gets the necessary nutrients without putting stress on the digestive system. Soft, easy-to-digest foods are the best choice during recovery, as they help promote healing, reduce inflammation, and maintain energy. Here are 10 ideal foods for a tummy tuck recovery diet. 1. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is rich in protein, which is essential for tissue repair. Its probiotics also support digestion, helping restore gut health. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties to avoid unnecessary sugars. 2. Mashed sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutrient powerhouse, loaded with vitamins A and C, potassium, and fiber. When mashed, they're easy to digest and offer a gentle boost of energy, ideal for post-surgery recovery. 3. Avocado. Avocado provides healthy fats that reduce inflammation and support tissue repair. Its soft, creamy texture makes it easy on the stomach and perfect for a quick, nutritious snack. 4. Bone broth. Bone broth is packed with collagen, which aids in skin and tissue regeneration. It's rich in amino acids like glycine, which support muscle recovery and digestion, making it a soothing option for your recovery diet. 5. Scrambled eggs. Eggs are a great source of high-quality protein. Soft scrambled eggs are easy to digest and provide essential amino acids that support muscle and skin healing, making them an ideal choice during recovery. 6. Steamed fish. Fish like salmon and cod are rich in omega-3 fatty acids that help reduce inflammation and support healing. Steaming the fish ensures it remains tender and easy to eat, promoting quick recovery. 7. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a soft, fiber-rich food that is gentle on the digestive system. It helps maintain steady blood sugar levels and provides sustained energy, making it an excellent choice for breakfast during recovery. 8. Smoothies. Smoothies are highly customizable and can be packed with fruits, vegetables, and proteins. These nutrient-dense beverages are easy to digest and offer a wide range of vitamins and minerals, aiding in the recovery process. 9. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is high in protein, particularly casein, which provides slow-releasing energy. Its soft texture makes it easy to consume, and it supports muscle repair and bone health during recovery. 10. Stewed apples or pears. Stewed apples or pears are easy to digest and rich in vitamins and antioxidants. The soft texture makes them an excellent choice for a light, healthy dessert that aids in digestion and healing. A soft food diet is essential for a smooth and successful tummy tuck recovery. By incorporating these 10 nutrient-rich, easy-to-digest foods, you'll support your body's healing process and ensure you regain strength and vitality more quickly. And always consult with your doctor to get the best recommendation. Thanks for watching.